Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Putting sugar in a gas tank to get revenge is a classic movie trope, but is it actually a felony in real life? The short answer is, it absolutely can be. Let's break down why. First, let's bust the myth. Sugar doesn't really dissolve in gasoline. It won't turn into a rock-hard caramel that seizes your engine like you see on TV. Instead, the sugar granules will sink to the bottom of the tank. The real problem starts when they get sucked into the fuel system. They will quickly clog the fuel filter, which is designed to stop debris. If the particles are small enough to get past the filter, they can damage the fuel pump and clog your fuel injectors. The car will sputter, stall, and eventually won't start at all. Now for the legal side. There isn't a specific law called felony sugar in the tank. Instead, this act falls under general criminal statutes like vandalism, criminal mischief, or destruction of property. Here's the critical part that determines if it's a misdemeanor or a felony: the cost of the damage. Every state has a dollar amount that separates a less serious misdemeanor from a very serious felony. For example, in some states, causing under $1,000 in damage might be a misdemeanor, which could mean fines and up to a year in county jail. But if the damage exceeds that $1,000 threshold, it gets bumped up to a felony. A felony conviction is life-altering, carrying penalties of over a year in state prison, massive fines, and the loss of certain civil rights, like voting or owning a firearm. And think about how easy it is to hit that felony level cost. You're not just paying for a tow. You're paying for a mechanic to drain and flush the entire fuel tank, replace the fuel pump, replace the fuel filter, and possibly clean or replace all the fuel injectors. On a modern car, this kind of repair can easily cost thousands of dollars, pushing you well into felony territory. The intent is also clear: you can't accidentally pour a bag of sugar into someone's gas tank, so proving you meant to cause harm is straightforward for a prosecutor. So, while it might seem like a harmless prank from an old movie, putting sugar in a gas tank is a serious crime with potentially devastating legal consequences. It's a gamble where the damage you cause directly determines whether you face a minor charge or a felony that could follow you for the rest of your life. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more legal breakdowns. We'll see you in the next video.